Yes, happy Wednesday, my dear. Welcome back to my class. Oh, wow.
I just I just wake up.
Oh, no. Like 5 minutes ago or right
No,
now?
no. Don't need. I don't need.
And I mean, my dear, you just woke up 5 minutes ago or as in right now?
Ah, no. I just wake up. At 10 minutes ago.
I see. So, did you eat your breakfast, my dear?
No. After finish class, I will eat like.
It's already 12:04 in your country right now, right? In Korea?
Hmm. Yes.
Oh, so it's late. So you will eat your lunch at 1 p.m.?
Oh, yes. Because I wake late, so I will eat lunch early.
Oh no, so is it you can eat your lunch while taking this class, my dear? If you're
Uh,
hungry, you can eat.
no. I I am not hungry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. 1 p.m. is late, so I think. What time did you sleep last night, my dear?
Oh, I went to sleep at 3 a.m.
Okay, I saw you. You reacted to my message in the group chat. I think it was, yeah, 3 a.m., right?
Yes, because yesterday I have to work so late
Oh no, so late. Why, my dear?
at the 1 half past a.m. I
Oh,
half past.
mm-hmm. But uh, how about later, my dear, or tonight?
Hmm.
What time will you sleep tonight?
Oh,
3 a.m. again?
I don't know. Hmm. I maybe 3 a.m. I don't know.
So, for example, you will sleep at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 8 hours of sleep.
Huh?
But still, it's not the right way of sleeping.
Yeah.
So, I think you need to uh, sleep or take a nap in the afternoon, right? You need to
No.
take.
No. Mm, Normally I don't know. I in the afternoon.
I see. So only. But it's
Yes.
okay, my dear. Excuse me. But I think uh you need to take vitamins. Do you have vitamins, my dear?
You speak again. Can you
Do
say
you,
again?
do you have vitamins?
Yes. I uh I drink vitamin C, such as it.
I see. Wow.
After lunch I will drink it.
Oh, wow. That's good, my dear. How about vitamins for your iron, right? Iron,
Mm,
iron
I
deficiency vitamins.
I think vitamin C good for mm,
Mm-hmm.
good for uh mm, good for my skincare.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good, my dear. How about vitamins for your skin? Do you take vitamins for your skin?
Uh, Serum, right?
Mm-hmm. It
No,
could be.
I don't use. I don't serum. I just soothing cream. I do the cream. I just use cream
Cream?
cream.
Oh, how about vitamins for it, my dear? Like you need to take capsule or a tablet?
Vitamin C. I think I don't need.
Wow. And I think maybe because you have a fair skin, my dear.
Oh, because I drink vitamin C, so I don't use serum vitamin C. I don't need
Mm,
vitamin.
yes. Oh, that's good, my dear. Okay, so how's your weekend, my dear? What
Oh,
did you do on your weekend?
um, actually, I just sleep and draw.
Oh, wow. Because you don't have a class, right? Or you don't have a work?
No, ah, uh, in the evening I have to work.
I see. But in the morning?
Uh, this morning I just sleep.
Hmm.
I ate lunch and draw.
Wow. Yeah, I saw your post on your Facebook story, my dear,
That's
and
it.
I like it. Yeah, it's so cute. A bunny? I am not sure. A
Eh,
bunny, right?
maybe actually I don't right dolphin, right?
I see. But it's color yellow, right?
Yellow? No,
What's the color of that dolphin, my dear?
it's pink, pink.
I see, maybe because of the lights.
But
Blue and pink.
pink is
It's
but
so cute. It looks so real.
I I I don't know the wrong. I don't know the wrong what because it uh don't same dolphin.
No. It looks so real. Yes, and I like it, my dear.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Because it looks so real, and I think you really have a good talent for that.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, how about selling your works online, my dear? Like your friends, your
Friends.
your friends or your classmates
Oh, yes,
selling your. Mm-hmm.
darling. No, no,
Yes, they can hang your work on their walls.
because I think nobody will buy.
Why no? Do you know that if you are just here in my country, I will buy your work
I don't know.
because it's
I
so cute.
just so in your country.
No, it's good. It's nice, my dear.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you are a real artist.
But I don't have a. I don't have a confidence. I don't have a confidence.
I see. So you just need to have one. You need to be confident in your skills.
Yeah,
Yes.
but I have to practice the more time, many times.
Just be confident and be proud of yourself because others can't do that. I can't do that, but you can. Right?
But so many people is good better than me, so I think I don't have a confidence.
No, you are better at your own ways, my dear. You are unique in your own ways. We are different and we have our own talents and abilities. There
Mm,
are things that you can only do but they can't. There are things that you can't do but others can.
actually, mm, I I just see drawing such as my favorite when I have a free time.
Oh, wow. Okay, so it's okay, my dear, for as long as you are happy with what you're doing, you are enjoying it.
Maybe.
Yes. And you need to talk with your friends, show them your work. I'm sure they would love it. Do they
Mm,
know that you are painting or drawing?
uh, actually, I I will draw. I will draw before. Uh, I I will paint it.
Can you say it again, my dear?
Uh, I I will draw before, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then I will
I will
paint.
paint.
Painting.
Paint, my dear?
Yes, paint
Ah, before.
paint it.
Oh, so first you need to draw, and then after that you will paint it.
Yes, right.
Oh, so do you use watercolor, my dear, or what do you call that one? Paint, oil
I
paint,
I have to mix color,
mix.
mix mix mix, right? And
Mm-hmm.
I is I mix, right?
Mix, my dear.
Mix, right.
I see. Mix. You need to mix
Uh, I
the
have to.
color.
Yes, I have to mix color.
Oh, I see. So, for example, you will mix yellow and red.
Uh, I have to uh red red and blue.
Red. I see. Wow.
Is
That is that the
is
pink?
color table. Is color table.
I see. So, for example, you want to achieve this color, so you will look at that
Uh,
table.
yes. And if I do it so many, I can make it myself.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I see. Okay, that's cute, my dear. I like that. Do you know that I really want to know how to draw? I want to learn how to paint, how to make sculptures and everything, but I'm not good at art.
The you can you can drawing. Uh,
Oh, I can't hear you well, my dear.
no, I think you can see drawing. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and your favorite, and you can enjoy it.
Ah, by just watching videos?
Yeah, I
Oh,
don't know Totoro. This
Totoro?
this
Ah, no, my dear, who's that?
uh, it's such a cartoon.
Cartoon?
Yeah, cartoon.
Okay, let me search that. Totoro. I see. Okay. Wow. What is it all about, my dear? My neighbor Totoro, right?
Totoro, right?
My neighbor.
And
Okay, let me share my screen if this is the Totoro that you are talking about. This
yes,
one, my dear.
yes, right.
Okay, what about it?
I don't really, but but
Ah,
have
him. Ah,
this
this animal, my dear.
yes animal. But it's so cute.
Where's your drawing, my dear?
I I do it them, but it don't have a color.
I see, it's so cute. Wow. Yes,
Yes,
it's cute, my dear. I like it. It's like a cat and mm, I don't know.
this
Yeah,
right, 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 turn right, right.
turn right,
Yes, no, uh,
left,
uh,
here.
hold on. This Google me umbrella, umbrella. Yes,
Umbrella.
yes,
I see umbrella. This one?
right.
I see you draw this one.
Yes, I will draw it.
Ah, okay. When, my dear? When
I
are
don't
you going to draw?
because so difficult.
No, I think you can do it, my dear. Like like that. But I think I can't do that.
Uh, think it, it so many detail.
I see so many details.
Yes.
I see. Hmm. I think how about what I see this one? Snowman? About snowman, my dear. Like this. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play.
No,
I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away.
I don't know.
to be best buddies.
I
Uh,
from US UK. Yes.
can you say it one more time, my dear?
Oh, I don't know song US UK.
I don't know the song.
Yes. US UK.
UK?
Yes. American and English song. English and American.
I see. But have you watched Frozen, my dear?
Ah, I know, but I don't know. I don't watch it.
I see. Why, my dear?
Mm, I no. I just don't like it.
It's a good movie, my dear. Like,
Uh,
do you want to build a snowman?
ah,
Oh, let's go and play.
this
I
song,
never,
the movie, right? Is this movie?
yes, I never see you anymore. Come
It's
out
the
the door. Yes, this one, my dear. It's really good. You can try watching it.
hmm, the interact. Oh, it's uh interested interacting.
Yes, it's interesting, my dear. Because
Interesting.
Elsa is a queen, and I think because she has powers, so she's been living inside a room for how many years? And her sister Anna asked her, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play.
Elsa.
Yes, Anna and Elsa,
Uh,
the one with the one who has power, her Mizir, she has power, so she is Elsa,
mm,
Queen
uh,
Elsa.
Iceland. Ah, and I can practice English, right?
Yes, because it's an English movie, Mizir, or cartoon movie. Yes, it's good.
I will watch it.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to send you the title of it, Frozen. Frozen. All right.
Frozen. Frozen.
Frozen. Yes. Do you know, my dear, that it has part one and part two? But you can you can watch only the part one, and if you want to watch the part two, you can watch the part two of it.
I grew up. I grew up. I
Mm-hmm.
this right.
Okay, do you want to share your screen, my dear, or do you want to?
This right.
Yes. Frozen. Yes, yes, my dear.
Oh, oh, take your pictures.
It's a 1 hour movie. Yes, yes. This one, my
This
dear.
right.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Oh,
It's an English uh movie, so I think it's also a good way for you to practice your English.
oh, English. Hmm.
Oh no. Please. I know you're inside. Yeah, I love that movie, my dear.
Oh,
If only you have free time, my dear. If you have free time, you can watch it.
oh,
If you
yes.
All right, so are you now ready for our class, my dear?
Yes.
Okay, so Unit 6, Can you please read, my dear?
Oh, yes.
Traveling.
Traveling.
Yes. Okay, so my dear me, what can you see in the first picture?
Mm, This is the white that right.
Can you say it again, my dear?
Uh, there is a white.
Uh-huh. There's a way.
Yes. And how
And
far I go?
mm-hmm.
Yes.
And a question mark.
This is the question, right?
Mm-hmm.
How far?
It's a question mark.
Mm. Oh,
This one is a question mark.
right.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, my dear, what can you can you guess the vocabulary word?
How far? I think
Mm-hmm.
how far because they question mark.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Yes. Right.
So, what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
How far?
How far?
Yes.
Okay. So, let's see. Your answer is correct. Yay! Correct, my dear. How far can you go? I think until I can reach the clouds. How about you, my dear? How far can you go?
On foot, right?
Can you say it, my dear?
Oh, I go to on foot, right? I go on foot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
But
Uh,
how far can you go, my dear? If you will answer that question, how would you answer it? I will
mm,
ask you, my dear me, how far can you go?
I I can go um 10 kilometers, but 10
I see.
on foot, on foot.
Okay. But do you know, my dear, I can go until I can reach the clouds.
The clouds.
Hmm.
Clouds.
In the sky.
Ah, sky. I don't
Uh-huh.
know. I don't
I
know.
I can go until I can reach the clouds in the sky, my dear. I will fly because I
Fly.
have wings.
I don't know.
It's a joke, my dear.
That's so difficult. I don't know.
It's a joke, my dear. Because I'm going to tell you a secret, my dear.
Yes, right.
Okay, it's it's a secret between us. Okay.
Yes, right.
Do you know that in my past life I was an angel,
Mm,
an angel with a wings?
I don't know. Wings.
Hmm. Do you know wings, my dear?
I know. I I don't have word.
In my past life, my dear.
Yes, but uh, uncle, 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 just uncle have.
Mm, I don't know what's the title of that song. Let me me search the title. Do you know the song? Um, I don't know if uh Heaven knows Angel has flown away from me. Do you know this song, my dear? Angel has flown away from. Oh,
No, I
do you know this song, my dear?
know. I know. Uh, I
Hi.
I I I I do listen song other country song.
I see. But I think it's an international song. I am not sure about it. Okay, but can you please make a sentence using the phrase "how far" is here?
Oh, mm, I think how far are we from the airport?
How far?
Are we from the airport?
I see. Maybe about 50 kilometers.
Listen,
Why, my dear? Wow. Okay, very good, my dear. Your grammar is correct. Good job. All right. How about the next picture, my dear?
oh yes, I see. The next picture
Mm-hmm.
from to
Mm-hmm.
the the vocabulary. I don't know.
Maybe from to.
Maybe
Okay. Let's see what's the vocabulary word, my dear. Okay.
from.
Uh-huh. To, so I think we need to remove this.
Oh,
Okay. So my dear, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word from?
ah, the book is borrowed from the library.
Mm-hmm. The
Right,
book.
the book
Uh-huh.
is borrowed. Borrowed.
Yes. Very
Borrowed.
good, my dear. Borrowed.
Yes. Yes, right.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, from the library.
Yes. Very good, my dear. How about your pen? Where did you borrow your pen?
Bent. Bent.
A pen, my dear. Where did you borrow your pen?
No, no, no. I don't borrow. I have many pens.
Okay. You can say, I bought my own pens.
Uh, bought and right. Bought.
Mhm.
Uh,
I
uh,
bought.
bought. Ah,
Bought. It's the past tense of buy, my dear.
buy. Oh,
Okay. Buy. For example, I will buy a pen. Meaning,
ah,
tomorrow I will buy a pen. I
ah.
bought a pen. Meaning, yesterday I bought a pen.
Hmm. Yes, I know.
Okay.
Uh, uh, I borrowed this book from the library, right?
Uh-huh. I borrowed this book from the library yesterday
Uh,
or last week. Okay.
uh,
Very good. Mm-hmm. Okay, so next, my dear, what can you see in the picture?
oh, yes. House,
Uh-huh. House.
house. in the countryside.
Maybe.
Maybe. I
How
think
many windows, my dear?
window 1, 2, 3, 4. That's those.
Five?
Six is is five.
Uh-huh. Wow. How about your home, my dear? How many windows do you have at home? How many windows do you have, my dear?
5 or 6. I think five.
In your at home?
My home.
Mm-hmm.
My home. Four. Oh, five. Right. Five.
I see one, two. We have four
Four.
at home. Yeah.
Four.
Four. Uh-huh. We have four windows here at home.
Mm. And teacher, it's two floor.
No, my dear, it's just
Ah.
a background picture. Okay,
Ah.
so can you please, oh, can you guess the vocabulary word, my dear?
I think it's house. House.
House. Yes, correct, my dear. All right, so can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word house?
I think. Mm, uh. Mm, I. My house. We are. We are having a party. Um. At my house. Is it weekend?
This weekend?
This weekend. Uh.
Oh.
I have a. I am having. I am having a party. At my house. This weekend.
Wow. Very good, my dear. Can you invite me?
Yes. I can. Sure. Sure.
Wow. Okay. I will bring with me.
Mm,
Mm, what do you want? A cake? But which one do you like, my dear? Ice cream or cake?
both. Both. Both.
Oh, wow. But it's cold in Korea, right?
Yes. Now I am Korean.
Mm-hmm. So, do you still like to eat ice cream even though it's cold in Korea?
Ah, I like eating ice cream in winter.
Wow, I can't do that, my dear.
How did you say? But you win uh you win
It will make you sick.
have a cold.
Yes. It will make you feel sick, my dear, because you need to drink warm water if it is winter.
In the winter. Anyway,
Mhm.
you should not eat ice cream in winter because you can have a cold.
Yes, exactly, my dear. But still, you are doing it.
That's because so delicious.
Okay, but what's your favorite flavor of ice cream, my dear?
Oh, chocolate.
Oh, chocolate?
Yes,
Ooh, me too, my dear. I like chocolate.
chocolate.
How about for a cake, my dear?
Oh, mm, strawberry. I like strawberry cake.
Oh, wow. Like there's A real strawberry on top of it.
Oh, yes, right.
Wow. Isn't it sweet? Too sweet?
Sweet. Oh,
Too
I
sweet?
like
Isn't it too sweet?
this between. Yes, so choose sweet
Mhm.
and strawberry. Yes, free, right?
Uh-huh. So, is strawberry your favorite fruit?
Oh, and I like it.
But
And
what's your most favorite uh fruit, my dear?
mm, strawberry.
I see. Wow. Hmm. Why, my dear? Why strawberry?
And no, because squeeze, so sweet and delicious.
Mhm. So you like sweets?
Yeah, right. I I really like uh um quên mất cái từ đấy nhỉ. I really like uh soft drink, soft.
I see. Soft drinks.
Yes, such as Coca-Cola.
Oh, Coca-Cola. Soft drink. Oh, how often do you drink Coca-Cola, my dear?
Yes, because but my mother don't allow. Mm, I don't allow me drink it, but because it don't uh, it isn't good for
Hmm.
my health.
Yes, exactly, my dear. And uh, drinking Coca-Cola every day will make you a diabetic person.
Yes, my 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 skin is not good.
I see.
I I drink Coca so many.
Every day?
Yeah, or
For
I I have drink uh, salt drink, salt salt water because I don't know. I like it. I really like it. Say such as milk tea or pink tea, or lemon tea or Coca Cola, right?
okay, so for example, you will drink Coca-Cola in the afternoon and then you will drink again in the evening, like
Mm,
that?
I uh I think every every when
Every?
yes, afternoon or evening.
I see, but it's once a day. You drink Coca-Cola once a day?
Yes, one or two, maybe maybe.
Twice a day?
Yes,
Oh no. Hmm. It's not good for your health, my dear.
yes. I know what I like it.
But you need to drink plenty of water, my dear.
Mm, no,
Plenty of plenty of water.
I yeah, I I drink it, but I just drink a little.
No, my dear.
When I drink vitamin C.
No. For example, after eating your meal, for example, after eating your lunch, you need to drink one or two glasses of water. And after eating your dinner, you can also drink water. Or after eating something, you need to drink water.
Yeah, I have to eat at a restaurant,
Mm-hmm.
and I am I don't often drink Coca Cola in the evening. But after finishing work, maybe I will drink it.
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to ask you a question, my dear. How many glasses of water do you drink every day?
No, I I don't like water.
Oh no. But how many glasses of water do you drink every day, my dear?
I know, but I don't like.
Okay. Do you drink uh 5 glasses of water every day?
Oh, no. I eat this water 2 week. I 2 week 2 week.
Wow. I can't believe it. Really? For
Yes,
2 weeks you will drink that
yes,
amount of water?
yes, 2 week.
Oh no, do you know, my dear, that you need to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day?
I know, but
Okay,
to
we're
try.
going to search on the internet the benefits
Yes.
the benefits of drinking water 8 glasses of water, 8 glasses uh, for skin as well, Miss here.
Hmm.
Okay, look at look at this, the benefits. Look, uh, weight loss, more calories, food
Hmm.
energy, body temperature, tissue and mouth. Okay. For skin, how about for skin?
Chicken
Skin's
or
elasticity, my dear.
hmm.
Look, my dear, people who drink large amounts of water are less likely to suffer from scars, wrinkles, and soft lines.
Hmm.
Yes. But what will happen? What will happen to someone? The someone who drink less water, less water. Yes, my dear, you can be dehydrated. Look,
Oh,
fatigue, feeling tired, my dear. You feel tired.
yes.
Headache.
Hmm?
Are you having a headache?
Headache.
Headache.
Really?
Oh, really? Are you having a headache? Do you know headache, my dear?
I know. Now I know I drink less water. I will have it.
Yes. But are you feeling headache every day? Are you
Mm.
having a headache every day, my dear?
No. Sometimes.
Mm, that is the reason why, my dear. So you need to drink plenty of water
Mm.
and fainting. And mm, look at this. Mm, yes, water therapy is very important. And oh, let's search, is water important in our body? Is water important in our body? Yes, my dear, look. Yes, important. Yes, water is important in our body because it refers to the vital organs, systems, and functions that are necessary for our survival and well being. Meaning, without water, our bodies could not function properly and we would not be able to live a healthy life.
Mm. Oh, I
Yes,
I drink water so many more.
yes, my dear, you should try.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to the next picture, my dear.
Yes. Picture.
Mm-hmm. What can you see in the picture?
I see two buildings.
Okay. So, what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I think mm, building, right?
Okay. Okay. Oh, wow.
Hmm.
Oh,
Mm.
word. Okay, so can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word work, my dear?
Yes. Uh, I I want to work. I want to work with you. Uh, on this assignment.
I see. I want to work with you on this assignment.
On the assignment.
But what if I don't want to, my dear?
Mm? Ah, work, work.
What
I,
will happen? I,
my work
I,
in a three floor company, right?
you said that I want, what did you say, my dear?
Ah, my work, my work is on one third floor, right?
Uh-huh. What did you say earlier, my dear? I want you to work, I want you to help me on this assignment, right?
I want to work with you on this assignment.
Yes, assignment. So what will happen if I will say I don't want to work with you on that assignment?
Hmm. So, as a example, as a example,
Okay. No, my dear, your answer is good. I'm just teasing you.
right?
I'm just teasing you, my dear.
It's
Your answer is correct and your answer is good, my dear. I am trying to I am trying to respond on your questions, my dear.
I think it's wrong.
No, 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 no. Actually, my dear, your answers are good. Your answers are correct. But that is why I am trying to tease you and I am making jokes. Okay. So next picture, my dear.
Yes, I see.
Wait. Okay. So what do you oh, what is this, my dear? Look.
I don't know.
Maybe uh it's maybe it has a secret meaning behind this, my dear.
Mm,
Like there's a code. Or maybe someone is hiding behind this, my dear.
hi, behind.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yes.
Someone is hiding.
Oh,
Do you think?
I think okay.
Okay. What do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
This picture I don't know.
Okay. Oh. Hmm.
Oh, about
Uh-huh. About what?
oh
It's hard, right?
about about
About.
about
Can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word about, Miss Year?
um uh I I am talking about my plan my plan for
Your plan for the weekend. So, what's your plan on this weekend, Miss Year?
I plan to go, go shopping
I plan to.
go shopping in the
Oh, shopping.
yes
Oh, what do you want to buy, Miss Year?
I want one
Can you say it again, Miss Year?
I want to I want to buy
Oh, I can't hear you well, Miss Year. Can you say it again?
oh
I want to buy
clothes. No,
rose.
I want to buy clothes.
I see clothes. Okay.
Clothes.
All right. So how about the next picture, my dear?
This picture. Mhm. I can
What do you think?
kilometer. Wait,
Mm-hmm.
kilometer.
Uh-huh. Kilometer.
Oh, kilometer.
Okay. All right. So what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
Yes. Um. mm, uh, the school is only uh, two kilometer kilometer away from my house, right?
Oh, yes, correct, my dear. 2 kilometers away from your house.
Mm.
But
Mm,
I
I
think it's 10 kilometers, my dear.
no uh, actually uh 200 meters from my house to my school.
Oh, wow. So it's near, right? Okay. I thought it's 10 kilometers, my dear.
10 kilometers.
Just kidding, my dear.
Oh,
All right. So you did well today, my dear me. I had fun.
yeah, so funny.
Yes, I had fun today, my dear. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your active participation. And I will see you again on the weekends, my dear, on Saturday.
Yes,
Okay, but you did well today, my dear. You were able to answer me in complete sentences. You were able to construct simple or basic sentences, and your grammar are all correct. Yay, I'm so proud of you, my dear. You are improving.
thank
Just that is the reason why I love teasing you.
Do you know why? Do you know why?
Why, my dear?
Because there is because have you.
No, my dear, that is because you are doing your best. Yes, and I am just helping you.
Thank you very much.
Yay! Goodbye, my dear me.
But
Have
uh,
a nice day. Don't forget to drink plenty of water.
yes, I
Okay. On Saturday, I will ask you how many glasses of water did you drink. Okay?
I remember it.
Okay, I will message you, my dear.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Okay, bye bye, my dear.